Hello, how are you? My name is Robert Morgan. I'm a nurse practitioner here at Kingwood Health and Wellness. Over the next few videos, we'll be talking about a lot of controversial issues regarding hormone therapy. If you're suffering from things such as weight gain, fatigue, poor energy, dry skin, thinning hair, hair loss, constipation, bone and joint pain, insomnia, sluggish thinking, poor concentration, then we probably will be able to help you out. I want to introduce you to some concepts that are very, very controversial in healthcare today. And we will start off by talking about things such as thyroid issues. Why is it that your physician won't treat you when you have all these symptoms of low thyroid, yet your blood work comes back normal? Well, we're going to explain those things in the upcoming videos. I'm going to tackle a lot of different issues that have to do with low thyroid, what is hyperthyroid versus TSH suppression. So get ready to get educated and learn a little bit more. Thank you.